Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. The Economic Program Oversight Committee, EPOC, reports a 17.9% decline in credit to businesses across all productive sectors except agriculture for the period of June 2024 compared to June 2023. There was, however, a $13.8 billion increase in credit to individuals.
When we look at the private credit and the growth in private credit and new loans dispersed through the deposit-taking institutions, this is where we see new loans dispersed between April and June 2024 being at $185.6 billion. And April down $4 billion over the $189.7 which were issued for the same period last year. Right? So we're seeing a flattening or even a reduction in new loans dispersed. This reduction stems from a 17.9% decline in credit to businesses across all productive sectors, except agriculture, and demonstrates the impact of a tight monetary policy which has been implemented by the Bank of Jamaica for the past few years.
Tropical Battery Company has begun selling Tesla electric vehicles and is training automotive technicians to provide after-sales parts and services on the cars, motorbikes, and ATVs sold by its subsidiary electric vehicle dealer Tropical Mobility. Unlike traditional vehicles, Teslas and other electric vehicles require minimal service, no oil changes, or extensive maintenance. During trading for the period September 20, 2024, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 108,326,701 units represented 76.63% of the market volume in terms of sales. Gas station operator Future Energy Source Company Limited, ordinary shares with 10,209,807 units represented 7.22% of the market volume in terms of sales. Banking conglomerate Sagicor Group Jamaica Limited with 6,163,783 units represented 4.36% of the market volume in terms of sales. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies on the stock market, we turn to the Forex market. On September 20, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $71.91 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $76.55 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $158.65 and bought US dollars for $157.72. The difference between the buy and sell rate was 93 cents, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $1.86 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold for $116.94 and bought for $115.08. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $1.17, selling it for $210.94 and buying it for $209.77. For our credit report tip of the day, we want you to know that paying your bills on time accounts for only 35% of your credit score. But that's not the only way to strengthen your financial standing. So here are 2 additional ways to boost your credit score and open the door to better financial opportunities. First, keep your credit utilization below 30%. Aim to use less than 30% of your available credit to show responsible usage. Lower is always better. And 2, increase your credit limits. Requesting a credit limit increase can help lower your utilization rate, provided you don't increase your spending. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Janice Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.